Okay, so we have set up our clusters. We've created our registry. We've added our key, our deploy key. So now we want to actually get into the process of building and deploying. Now the first thing I'd like to show you is we're going to do some building first, and we have to build some services and push them into the registry. Um, and I'm going to show you first the build all command. And first of all, let's do a tree, because we need to look at, here's the services directory. In services we have API, Balancer and DB and Python services. Now in later videos I'll talk about the setup of the actual services. At this juncture I'm just this is a high level interview. We just interview overview. We're going to build the services, which is effectively calling the Docker file, which and so on and so forth. But the build all command is meant to build it in order, and it's very simple. In the services directory, if you have a build.edn, then it will hold the build order for the build all command. So services build.edn. Okay, so I want to say Python, API, Balancer, and DB. The reason there's a build order is that some services may depend on other services. So, you might build an Alpine image and add a whole bunch of stuff into it before then moving on. In fact, that's what the Python is. It uses a base Alpine and then adds some stuff, and then the others may use that going forward. But that's it. So let's do the dot concerto build all minus minus push. Now, for target live. Okay, so we know we've seen the access file. The access file has the registry information in it. The registry was set up with a username and password. This build all goes through the services in the build order specified and pushes to the target lives registry. So that's what this should do now. Okay, so it's pulling. It's going to start pulling stuff, as you can see. Um, this will actually take some time to do, so I'll pause as it goes through. Okay, well, you can see that now the everything has been built and pushed into the Podman registry.